appointment in appointment under the waivers program and factors to be considered in granting waivers kas appointment in the PNP. Hirapot nga todo mamitakig re-recite. Unang kulani po under waivers program. First, outstanding accomplishment or passion of special skills in law enforcement, police work, martial arts, and marksmanship. Special talent in the field of music, sports, and others. Katulo po, experience or training in forensic science and other technical services. Yun na naman po is an appointment of the PNP. First, meets the minimum qualification shall be issued of PNP FTP, PNP FTP, PSBRC of Public Safety Basic Recruitment Course 6 months, 6 months, PNPTI RTC, field training exercise, FTX or OGT 6 months by PNPTS through its regional special training units. Kasi kaupat po is it must 12 months to be renowned by the date it was issued. An permanent appointment naman is after the completion of the required PNP FTP in involving actual experience assignments in patrol, traffic, and investigation. Katapos hindi naman pa mga who is the one who appoints, who's the one who recommend, and mga rank na po yun, ma'am. And patrolman to police executive master sergeant appointed by regional director. Police lieutenant to police lieutenant colonel appointed by the chief PNP in recommendation of their immediate superior. Katulo po, police colonel to police lieutenant general appointed by the president in recommendation by the chief PNP with proper endorsement to the chairman of CSC and the subject confirmation of commission of appointment. Lastly, the police general appointed by the president chosen by among his senior officer down to police brigadier general, and it's in minimum of 4 years, and it will be extended when during national emergency and it's in time in war. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.